All right, Northern Tesla back with another quick tip, and this one is a really quick one. So a while back, Elon started another one of his beefs, this time with Disney CEO Bob Iger, which resulted in the yanking of the Disney app from the Tesla theater.
That's how I roll.
Now, some people still have access to it and others didn't. If you have a new car, you probably don't have access to it, but there is a way to get it back in the Tesla theater. Let me show you how. All right, if you are in the Tesla theater and you don't see Disney, there's an easy way to add it. All you're going to do is you're going to go to your menu. We're going to go to browser. You are going to type in Disney Plus, like so. You're going to go to the website for Disney Plus. As you can see it's not full screen, so we can actually exit that, and now it's in your Tesla theater. So it's that easy. Go ahead and do that. You'll get Disney back on your screen. So for the kids, they're going to love it. All right, so there it is. That is how you get Disney back in the Tesla theater. So if you like this video and found it helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. The thing with these quick tips is that it's going to be something you didn't really know about your Tesla. So you're not going to be able to search for them. So the only way you're going to get them is by subscribing to Northern Tesla. Anyways, thanks again for watching. We'll see you next week. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric.